Hi guys, if you're a stay-at-home mom looking for a way that you can earn income in this 2026, this video is for you guys. So the number one on my list is selling online. Guys, you under that selling online, you can sell maybe wigs. You can sell wigs. If you have a friend that is selling wig wholesale, like the lady is selling wigs, you can go to her shop. You take a picture of some of the wigs that she's selling, post it on your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your TikTok, and your YouTube. I said your YouTube, see me. You can post it on your social media, guys. So if anybody asks for the price, maybe your friend is selling the wig 5,000 naira, you can sell the wig for like 7,000. You don't already make a 2,000 naira gain from it. You give your friend the 5,000 naira of the price that she's selling the wig. You go to the person's shop, collect the wig, and do well for your customer. So that is number one. You can also sell under that online selling. You can also sell clothes. That is thrift business. That one is moving so well. You can stay at the comfort of your home and do that business as a stay-at-home mom. So number two on my list is content creating. You guys know that one is for sure is going to be on the list of this legit job you can do as a stay-at-home mom that will fetch you a lot of income. That if you're a mom that don't want to depend on your husband in everything that you want to buy, you go and ask the man. The man himself is going to be frustrated at sometimes. So guys, number two is content creating. You can start that content creating at the comfort of your home, and when they monetize you, you will start getting money from there, and you also support your partner. Under that content creating, you can do a motherhood content, you can do a cooking channel, you can do a lifestyle vlogging, and so many content niche that you can do. You just have to look for the one that you are good at and start that one, guys. So the number three on my list is you can also do a social media manager. You can be a social media manager if you are good at it, if you know what you are doing on that. So you can be a social media manager. You do that one also at the comfort of your home. You are not going to stress yourself maybe to prepare on time and go to the office. No, you can do that one at the comfort of your home, guys. So the final one on my list is online teaching. That is coaching. So if you are good at teaching, you can teach people online. You just have to start maybe on Facebook or YouTube or TikTok, any social media, or Instagram, any place that you find yourself suitable and interesting. You can start from there and fetch yourself income. Don't just sit at home, depend on your husband in every little thing you want to buy. Guys, the man is going to be frustrated, and you too self, you are going to enter into depression. So guys, this is the few things that I know that is very legit you can do at the comfort of your home that is going to fetch you a lot of income from it. You just have to stay consistency. You just have to stay focused, believe in yourself that you are going to do it. Don't just depend on your man in any little thing you want to do. Or even if you want to buy a Maggie, you will call your husband. Guys, we need to level up. we need to do better in this 2026. Please guys, if what I teach you or what I share with you guys is interesting, it interests you, or you love it, you just have to follow me for more content tips, for more advice on marriage, content creating, and many more. Don't forget to like, share, and comment for more. Bye.